Huh? What the devil? Down here at PA Country Cluckers, that ever happened to you? Happened to me for the first time yesterday. You walk up to your tractor after a couple days of not use, you slide in the key, and devil, what the? Nothing. So this happened to me. This happened to me yesterday. Walking up to the tractor. Actually, no, I got off of the tractor, and as I was getting off, it died. And honestly, I didn't know what to do. I'm mechanically inclined, but when it comes to unleaded vehicles and cars, tractors, I gotta call my son. But before I do, I'm gonna do a couple things of troubleshooting. First thing I did is I checked the voltage. Yes, I got voltage. I checked to make sure the fuel solenoid was in the right position. And before I go too much further, this is a Kubota BX2380. What I'm talking about here would apply to just about any Kubota tractor of the BX line. So if you've got a 2360, you got a 2600, or I don't even know what the other names are, but if you got another name of a Kubota BX tractor, this is applicable. Pulled open the hood, looked at the fuel solenoid, which is this guy right here. I'll zoom out and zoom back in, get your landmarks, then you see this solenoid right here. It has really two positions. It's got this position and that position. See, it. And let me see if I could do this. Tractor's on, tractor's off. You'll see this pop in like that sometimes, this red bolt. That is the fuel cutoff. Checked it. We're good, nothing. So, all right. Well, normally, something like this, it doesn't appear to be fuel. Doesn't appear to be battery. I checked the starter, which for those of you who don't know, your starter's on the other side. It's this guy right here. Again, I'm gonna zoom out so you can get a little bit better idea where it is. Here's the tractor. You look at this piston right here, this guy, she's right behind it if you've got a loader. If not, then it's just going to be sitting right here. Check the connections, power's got a good connection. I checked the ground is good. I checked this piece right here, which this is where the electricity goes to it. Everything is good. I'm stumped. Then I got this harebrained idea. Let's just see how many clicks we got. Clicks aren't important, so don't bother counting them. Don't think I'm gonna make it. But I'll just give you that heads up right now. But stand up. You hear that click? Huh. Maybe it's a safety. And that got me, well, maybe I'll just check all of the knobs and everything. See, nothing turns, nothing. Check here, check the loader. This is in the right place. This is not your fast, slow speed connector is in here. This is good. Look over here. PTO lever is good. What the, look? Huh? Did you notice that it was out a little bit? It was out like right here. It wasn't all the way back. Huh. Well, let's try it now. Well, B. I don't know who this video is gonna help, but if it helps one person, the 5 minutes I spent making it is well worth it. Y'all have a great day.